Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. Inside this video, let's talk about the latest update of Vigor Chain, the latest update of VTC Network where you can mine VTC coin. Even presale is live, exchange is live. Finally, the Vigor Chain exchange is live. You can sell your coin, even you can purchase any coin inside this exchange. In the future, we will see spot trading, future trading, even we will see lots of coin listing. So don't skip any part of the video. Inside this video, we will check the official website, even we will check some latest update about Vigor chain, Vigor coin, even Vigor coin listing. So share this video with everyone, and now let's get started. So if you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about mining applications, mining project, pre-sale project, and then cryptocurrency, crypto updates, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. So this is the official Twitter account of Vigor Exchange. In here you can see the followers 155,000. So you will get all the updates about the Vigor Exchange. So finally Vigor Exchange is now live. Deposit, withdraw and spot trade with zero fees at Vigor Exchange. This is the link vigorexchange.com. So Vigor coin is listed on Vigor Exchange. The final round of the presale is currently ongoing with 0.15 cent. So in the presale the price was even $2, but for now the final round is 0.15 cent. This is the last chance to participate in the presale. So make sure create account and then collect your coins. If I show you, this is the exchange of Vigor chain. So creating account is very simple. Simply click on the sign up button, type your email address, even your username, first name, last name, your password, and then click on create account. So easily you can create account. It's not difficult. So this is your dashboard. You can find top gainers, even top losers. Further, you can see the latest news. Okay. So even you can see the binary trading. So your live positions, practice position. So start trading, even practice. It means that you can do paper trading in here in order to build your skills, in order to build your a technical analysis, to improve your technical analysis. So and then you can see about upcoming coins, like this is the coin or tokens. Check out our top trending coins listing projects. So for now we have Vigor Network. If we click on it, so in here you can see no matching result. Okay, if we go back, so for now in here we have only the Vigor network. So it means that Vigor network listed inside their exchange. So the contribution, no result for this. So about the Vigor network, you can see yes, we just find it. Okay, so Vigor coin is the native token of Vigor chain VRC20. So listing in 18 days. So pre-sale limited. Sell amount 150,000, contribution 86. It means that listing is after 18 days. You can see listing in 18 days. It means that after 18 days we will see the listing of this token inside this exchange. For now you can see this is the pre-sale. Pre-sale is ongoing. Progress 3.95%. So if we click on collect coin or tokens, so let's wait in here because the website is just working very slow. If you cannot buy the presale inside their official exchange, so make sure to go presale.vigorchain.org. Make sure to go this website and then purchase the token at the presale, because you might face problem in order to purchase it inside their official exchange. If not, then go to presale. Let me show you this website, presale.vigorchain.org. Okay, so this is all the detail of Vigor chain. You can see the name, address. For now address is not available, but total supply is 150,000. No, let me show you. Yeah, 1.5 million. The total supply of Vigor coin is 1.5 million. This is not, I can say this is nothing in this crypto market. So active fetch detail, price is 0.5, minimum purchase $1, maximum 10,000. Start date 12 May 2024. So end date 6 June 1 June 2024. So listing date is 1 June 2024. It means that the coin will list inside their exchange after 1 month. Even I can say not 1 month, on 1st June 2024. We will see the listing of Vigor coin inside their exchange. So this is the pre-sale. You can purchase it. Like I want to purchase about 100 and then click on purchase. I accept that the website is working very slow because this is new. Somehow there might be any problem with this website with the ecosystem. So don't worry about that. Of course, the teams are just working very hard to build amazing thing for their users. This is the exchange of the Vigor. No mining project has its own exchange. So anyhow, in here, if you cannot purchase the token, so simply go to this website, presale.vigorchain.org. Okay, in the future, Vigor Exchange will enable spot trading, withdrawals, deposits, and fund transfers between users. So the next update will include the listing of Vigor coin and the launch of the future trade launchpad for ICO. So in the future, we will see big things with your exchange. So that's why continue the mining. Don't stop the mining. The listing price is $12. So presale available at the lower price. Of course, we will see the listing of Vigor coin on 1st June 2024. I can see after 18 days. So this is the website. You can see about the investment. Start your investment. Unlock your earning potential. So further, you can see about your wallet. We have sport wallets. And then we have funding wallets. You can find your wallets in here. So this is your sport wallet. Like you can find about the Cardano. Even you can search any coin. Like let me search about VTC if I can find it. Let me search about the Vigor coin. Okay, I cannot find it. And then if you scroll down, you can find all the coins in here. So you can send it, you can receive it. So further about the funding wallets, you can find the funding wallets in here. Even the support menu section, you can contact the team members. And then customize, you can customize your dashboard, your account, and then your profile. This is your profile. You can manage your account settings. So this is the exchange of Vigor Chain or Vigor mining project. So I hope you understand this video. I hope you just got about their website. Lots of the users are saying this is a scam project. Developers are just building amazing things for their users. This is their exchange. In the future, we will see coin listings, IGO, ICO. Even in the future, we will see lots of things inside their exchange. I don't know why people are saying this is a scam project. Anyhow, so you are independent. You can share your thoughts. I'm here to check the comment section what people are talking about. Okay, so if you have any confusion, if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. So creating account is very simple. So I hope you understand this video. I hope you get this video. So make sure, even one thing I should show you. Let me show you about the Vigor. Let me show you the official website of vigorexchange.com, what things we can find in here. So this is the website, or I can say this is the Vigor Exchange, the official website. Low fees, high profit. So sport exchange, you can see, and then if you scroll down, trade with confidence, easy to use, powerful, and extremely safe. So and then start your crypto journey now. This is the website. Okay. So smash the like button. Tony while time high still did not subscribe to our channel. Make sure click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. So this video is end up in here till the next video. Goodbye. See you.